This is our train, Alishba.
Yeah, we're gonna get on the train. हम लोग स्काईवे से आए थे और हम लोग करुंडा रेलवे स्टेशन से ट्रेन लेके जा रहे हैं. It's gonna be really fun because it looks like it's taking us back in the day. So keep coming. Let's keep going. We also have to find our seats. We don't know what our seats are at the moment.
So, Alisha, what is the most standing out feature of this train? Why is it different from the other trains?
Because it's going to take us through the rainforest. The Skyway was taking us above the rainforest, and now we're going to go through the rainforest.
Okay.
Car number 1.
Yes, to the left, just letting you know as well, we don't have cold water on board. If you want cold drinks, you're good to buy it. We do have water, but nothing cold.
No worries, thank you.
All together?
Yes.
So these are the carriages. How fun do they look? Exciting.
This is the gold class.
अभी हम फर्स्ट क्लास में जा रहे हैं या इकोनॉमी में
I'm not sure. We'll find out.
Oh look, we actually have first class in economy.
Yeah.